I love trading.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to Excel Insights, where wisdom meets purpose. Each session, we're going to take a few moments to slow down, think deeper, and explore practical insights that strengthens our faith, our character, our leadership, and our everyday lives. Whether the topic is business, finances, personal growth, relationships, or biblical wisdom, every insight is designed to challenge your thinking and encourage wise decisions that produce lasting results. So settle in, open your heart and your mind, and prepare to discover an insight that can make a difference today. This is Excel Insights. Hey, let's begin. Hey, CB, whenever you ready, man, you can just grab the microphone, man, and step to the stage.
Oh yeah, I'm late today, so
Oh
this
no,
is gonna.
you ain't late, dog. You on time,
Yes,
man.
I
Come on,
yes I
man.
am fine.
No, no, you good.
It's 8:20 and I'm 8:27, so I'm late. So this is gonna be short and sweet today. So anything in your life that you are not okay with, but unwilling to make a change, you're okay with. So that means you're not a victim of your circumstance. You're a willing accomplice. That's been your Excel insight. It's your boy CB. I'm out.
Thank you for joining this week's edition of Excel Insights. We hope today's message encouraged you, challenged your thinking, and gave you practical wisdom you can apply throughout the week. Remember, growth happens one decision at a time, and wisdom becomes powerful when it is put into practice. Join us next time for another inspiring edition of Excel Insights, where we continue pursuing truth, wisdom, and excellence together. Until next time, may God bless you, guide you, and strengthen you as you continue your journey towards excellence. See you next time on Excel Insights. Samuel J. Strong III.
Every lesson,
I'm out.
every opportunity. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Stay thankful. Because I love trading. Samuel J. Strong. Ciao.